morning, children. In this chapter of give and take, we have learnt addition with the help of money. Today, we are going to learn addition with the help of expanded form. And this way, when you will add, addition will become very easy. So come, let us start our learning immediately. Let us learn addition using expanded form. Suppose we have to add 26 and 43. So these are the two numbers which we have to add. Now 26 we can write as 20 plus 6. This plus sign will come here, and 43 we can write as 40 plus 3. Now we can add 20 and 40 very easily. 20 plus 40 gives us 60, plus this 6 and 3 we can add very easily. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 69. See children, how easy it is? Okay, let us try one more example. If we have to add 33 plus 56. Now 33 is equal to 30 plus 3. This plus will come here. 56 is equal to 50 plus 6. Now it is so easy to add this 30 and this 50. 30 plus 50 is 80. And 3 and 6 is 9. So 80 plus 9 is 89. Okay. Now let us take some bigger numbers. 234 plus 521. Okay, again we will expand them. 234 is equal to 200 plus 30 plus 4, and 521 is 500 plus 20 plus 1. Now children, it is very easy to add 200 and 500. So 200 plus 500 is 700. Now 30 plus 20 is 50. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 755. This is the expanded form and this is the standard form. See children, how easy it has become. Let me show you one more example like this. Suppose we have to add 645 and 334. We will first write the expanded form of 645. 600 plus 40 plus 5. Now let us write the expanded form of 334. 300 plus 30 plus 4. Okay. Now first of all we will add 600 plus 300. Very easy. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 600 plus 300 is 900. Now we will add 40 and 30. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 40 plus 30 is 70. Now we are going to add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So we have got the expanded form of our answer. Our answer is 979. So this is the short form and this is the expanded form. I hope children you would have understood how to add two numbers using their expanded form. That's all for today. Please practice. It's not at all difficult. If you practice, you will find it very, very easy and comfortable. Thank you and have a nice day.